Hello and welcome dear students. Welcome once again. Statistics Chapter 3 Linear Regression Home Learning Video Series, and we are studying Linear Regression Chapter 3 of Statistics Part 1. In last video lecture, students, I explained you the sums to find the regression line when covariance xy is provided and when correlation coefficient r is provided in the question. Today I take the further sum of the same method. So students, please open your textbook page number 133. Page number 133 of your textbook. When covariance xy is provided and when r, that is correlation coefficient, is provided in the question. My dear friends, here we take all the big types of sums when x minus x bar is provided. X bar and y bar are integer, x minus x bar method. The digits of x and y are small, less than 30, 30, xy method. Then we take shortcut method, UV method. UV method in which only subtraction is there. Then we take the UV method in which subtraction is there and division is also there. Both type of methods we take. My dear friends, now today in this particular sums, no need to prepare any additional column, further column. Just put the values into the formula and got the answer. So let's take a sum, page number 133, sum number 10. See, in statistics and accountancy, both subjects, in board examination, the sums of exercise as well as illustration, both are asked. So do preparation of both type of sums. They take directly question from illustration also and from exercise also. So be ready. My dear friends, sum number 10, page number 133. The information of price in rupees of a ball pen and the supply of ball pen in units. Supply is provided in units and price is provided in rupees. At the end of each month of a year, for a company making ball pen is given below. Ball pen making company is there. The price of ball pen, which is denoted by X, and the supply of ball pen, that is denoted by Y. Estimate the supply of ball pen when its price is rupees 40. See, this is the point of forecasting. At last we have applied. They given in column average as well as variance. Price, that is X, supply, that is Y. See, average is actually called X bar and Y bar. Average of X is 3030. So X bar is 3030. Remember students, mean is also X bar and Y bar. And another name of mean is average. Average is also X bar and Y bar. Clear? Average is also X bar and Y bar. Mean is also X bar and Y bar. So X bar is 3030. Y bar is 500. Variance. Variance is called Sx square, that is 25, and variance of y, that is called Sy square, that is 10,000. See, it is very much clear in standard 11th only. SD, not Sanjay Dattani, standard deviation is Sx and Sy, while variance is the square of standard deviation. SD square means variance. So variance is Sx square and Sy square, while the standard deviation is Sx and Sy. Clear? Okay. So variance is Sx square, that is 25, Sy square 10,000. We require Sx and Sy. So under root of variance is SD. Sx is 5 and Sy is 100. Sx is 5 and Sy is 100. 100 is Sy and Sx is 5. Why? Because in the formula we require standard deviation SD, not the variance. So I do this Sx and Sy. Then they provide us R. R means correlation coefficient. R means correlation coefficient, that is 0.8. So when R is given ready, that is the method of this particular sum. Our first step is regression coefficient. Regression coefficient is denoted by B. B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. Whenever correlation coefficient is provided, that is called R. R into Sy upon Sx. Here R is 0.8 into Sy is 100 upon Sx is 5. So 0.8 into 8, 100 divided by 5. The final answer is 1660. First step, regression coefficient is clear. Whenever correlation coefficient R is provided, then the formula for regression coefficient B is R into Sy upon Sx. R is 0.8 into Sy is 10 upon Sx is 5. So the final answer is 1660. First step, regression coefficient. Students, now we move towards the second step, and the second step is constant. Constant is denoted by A. The formula of constant is y bar minus b x bar. A is equals to y bar minus b x bar. We put the values into the formula. Y bar is provided 500, ready, minus b is 16. Here we got the answer of b, that is 16. And x bar is 30. A is equals to 500 minus 480, that is 20. A is equals to 20, that is constant. Now our third step is, my dear friends, regression line. Regression line is y cap is equals to a plus bx. A is 20 plus b is 16. So 16x. Regression line, third step, y cap is ready. Our fourth step is forecasting. Whenever they provide the value of x, then we have to find the value of y cap by putting the value into the regression line. Here in this particular question they provide the value of x is 4040. Remember, estimate the supply of ballpen when its price is rupees 4040. So x is provided 4040. We put the value of x into the regression line. Six forty plus 20, 660 units. At last we have to write, whenever the price is 40 rupees, then the supply is, estimated supply is 660 units. So this is the sum when correlation coefficient, that is R, is given ready in the question. Now we take another sum when covariance xy is given in the question. We take such a sum in which covariance xy is provided in the question. So students, come to the page number 137 of your textbook. Sum number 6 we take, page 137, the next sum number 6. Now we take the next practice sum when covariance xy is provided. Page 137, I repeat, sum number 6. The following information is given for 10 firms running business of clothes in a city regarding their average annual profit in lakh rupees and average annual administrative cost in lakh rupees. Two things are given. One is profit in lakh rupees. Administrative cost is also given lakh rupees. Okay? They provide the column mean. Mean is x bar and y bar. Mean is also x bar and y bar, and average is also x bar and y bar. So x bar is equals to 6060. Y bar is equals to 25. Standard deviation, that is Sx and Sy. Sx is provided 6, Sy is provided 3. Standard deviation, that is St, 6 and 3. Then they provide us covariance xy 10.4. So clearly it is very clear in our mind that this is the sum when covariance xy is provided in the question. Whenever covariance xy provided, then directly we have to put the formula of covariance xy. Okay? So covariance xy is here, and that is 10.4. Now we put the values, different values. The first step, my dear friends, is regression coefficient, that is denoted by B. First step, regression coefficient, that is denoted by B. The formula is covariance xy upon Sx square. Covariance xy is given 10.4. They provide Sx. So what we have to do? We have to do the square of Sx. Square of Sx is 36. 6 square, that is 36. 10.4 divided by 36, the answer is 0.29. First step. When covariance xy is given, first step. Second step, my dear friends, is constant. Constant is A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 25, clearly given in the question. B is 0.29 and x bar is 6060. 0.29 into 60. 0.29 into 60, answer is 17.4. 25 minus 17.4, the answer is 7.6. Second step is ready. Now the third step is regression line. If they ask for forecasting, then we have to do fourth step, but if they ask only. Our third step, students, is regression line. Here I do the third step, regression line. Y cap is equals to A plus bx. We put the value. A is 7.6 plus B is 0.29. So 0.29x. Third step is ready. Regression line. Now let me see if they provide us to do the forecasting, then we have to do the forecasting, otherwise the sum is over. So my dear students, in this particular sum, there is no any forecasting. No value of x is given, so we do not have to do any type of forecasting. So in this video lecture, we take a sum when covariance xy is provided, as well as when correlation coefficient is also provided in the sum. Now, as per our tradition, we take the fast recap of the whole video lecture. We take two sums in this particular video lecture. Two methods we cover, when covariance xy is given and when R is given in the question. In first, we take a sum from page number 133. X bar is 30, Y bar 500, everything is provided. First step, we take regression coefficient, that is B. Correlation coefficient R is provided, so R into Sy upon Sx. The second step we find is constant, that is A, Y bar minus Bx bar. Here you can see. Third step we find regression line, A plus Bx. Fourth step we do forecasting. They provided the value of x 4040. So we do the forecasting. So first sum we take when correlation coefficient R is provided. Then we take the another sum, second sum in this particular video lecture, which sum is taken from page number 137. Sum number 6 is there, in which they provide covariance xy to us. X bar is there, Y bar is there, Sx, Sy, and covariance xy is provided. First step we find the regression coefficient, that is B, covariance xy upon Sx square. Sx is provided, so we do the square of Sx, that is square of 6, 36. Second step is constant, that is A, Y bar minus Bx bar. Third step is regression line, that is Y cap. Y cap is A plus Bx. So students, in the sums, when covariance xy, that is COV xy is provided, and R, that is correlation coefficient, is provided, we can directly do the put the values into the formula and we got the answer easily. Now different type of such sums you can do with yourself also. So I would like to provide you some homework sums also to you. By today's video lectures you can do that sums on your textbook page number 137. The homework you can do sum number 7 by yourself, sum number 8 and sum number 9. I repeat this, page number 137, sum number 7, sum number 8 and sum number 9. All the three sums are short sums, so you can do yourself easily. Thank you for your cooperation. Thanks students.